We end our week with Prince. While much has been written and said about this incredibly talented artist who was taken from us all too soon, little has been noted about his dedication to the working people of this country. He was a career-long member of the American Federation of Musicians and of SAG-AFTRA. He was a champion of musicians' rights, and songs like Sign of the Times, Ronnie Talk to Russia, which he composed, We March, and Baltimore, among others, seemed to touch the average man and woman. His concert in Baltimore after Freddie Gray's death helped raise funds to begin the healing in that city. And he will join the legacy of such performers as Joe Hill, Woody Guthrie, and Bruce Springsteen. His music was thought-provoking, at times inspirational, and often made us want to party like it was 1999. He will be missed. I wish we could play one of his songs for you here, but unfortunately copyright laws preclude that. Rather, I'll count on you to listen to some of his tunes this weekend and reflect on how we can all work together to better our individual working lives. Good night.